I thank you all so much for joining me. It really means a lot. My subscribers are growing, viewers are growing, and I'm absolutely thankful to you all because you're making it happen. Today, I am doing a special beauty makeover, hair transformation on a client who has come all the way from California. Well, what time did you get in?
It was like dark. I was on the only one on the highway.
Oh no!
The whole time.
Oh no!
Is it?
Where am I down here in these boondocks? Where in the world am I? But listen, take your time and you go ahead. Don't rush your food. Just relax. I'm going to take care of a few things out. I've got everything pretty much set up.
Okay.
my friend. Oh my, you look beautiful. Doesn't she look beautiful? Oh my. Oh, what do you think of your new look?
I love it.
I love it too. And I am so thankful to you for coming all the way from California to get this look with this wig that I have installed and this beautiful, beautiful makeover. Isn't she absolutely beautiful? Oh my goodness. I am so pleased.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. And thank you everybody for joining me again for this beautiful transformation makeover.
Well worth the trip.
She says it's well worth the trip, and I have enjoyed her company, and I am just so honored that she has come this way. So if you too would like a makeover and you want to come a long distance away, you can always contact me. Just check the description for how to get in touch with me. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Before you leave, if you like what you see I'm doing here on Miss Lola's channel, Hair and More, please subscribe, like, share, tell others, but most of all, enable that notification bell so you will always know when I am working my magic. Take care, everybody. You want to say goodbye to them?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.